Designing for manufacturing reduces errors and saves time for everyone involved. While there are many design aspects that need to be considered, one of the most effective measures for linking computer-aided design and fabrication is making sure that your flat pattern contains all the necessary manufacturing information. This is easily achieved with the help of SPI Sheet Metal Solutions. In this video series, we introduce you to some of the ways our sheet metal software can save you time and effort in designing, unfolding, and manufacturing sheet metal parts. In this final video of the series, I will tell you about adding manufacturing data to flat patterns. There are times when you need to pass on special information for the manufacturing together with your flat pattern. For example, information about tolerated holes or certain texts, such as part numbers, that need to be engraved. With SPI Sheet Metal Solutions, you can add this information to the model so that it is always output during unfolding and retain this text. The attached information is transferred correspondingly to your chosen output format, so that the manufacturing information can be evaluated in the COM system without any further work steps. SPI Sheet Metal Solutions will ensure an integrated process chain from the first design draft to unfolding and manufacturing. Why don't you try it out for yourself? Contact us for an online demonstration and a free software trial.